Okay, so I'm going to try something different. I have often, I have a gas stovetop, so I can really cook if I lose power, but my oven is a electric convection. Doesn't work if I lose power. And I often like to have biscuits or bread or something with my meal, so how can I do that? Well, one way is using my grill. And this is my first time trying it, so excuse me if I make any bloopers. But I want to see if I can make biscuits on my grill. So in other words, grill baked biscuits. So I'm going to make it real easy. I'm going to use this Potpourri biscuit mix just to see if baking in my grill works. First thing I had to do was to melt 2 tablespoons butter, and then I'm just supposed to coat the pan. And I'm supposed to leave butter here for the top. So when I take this out of the grill, I'm going to brush this on top of the biscuits. Okay, we've got this ready. Now bring my pan closer to you. I'm going to simply put this in. And we want to put our softened butter in here. Okay, so I'm going to mix this up. Most biscuit recipes you're supposed to put in cold butter and dice it up. This one's different. Still got some piece of butter here. Sure those mix up well. That's pretty good. Let's add 3/4 cup milk. Nice and soppy here. Does that look pretty good? Get some flour on the bottom. We want to work that in. Okay, looking good. Now we have our greased pan. About 1/4 cup. Drop it in. Let's put it over there. Okay, put it there. Want to leave 2 to 3 inches in between. We'll be back when we get these all nice and ready to go in the grill. Doesn't that sound funny? Ready to go in the grill instead of ready to go in the oven. There they are. They're ready for the grill oven. Okay. Now some people put a pizza stone down. Some people put an inverted pan and then their cooking pan on top of that. In my case, I have a shelf, so I'm going to try that. You can't see this very well, but I have my pan up here on this top rack. I'm going to carefully put it down. So this is the hard part. I need to keep it at 425. Now when I close this, it goes in excess of 450 pretty quick. So right now it's about 410. So we'll see if keeping this closed accelerates it to 425 or too hot. So I'm going to just turn up the knobs a little. I have two of the burners off because it was getting up to 500 no matter what I did. So let's see what happens here. We'll be back in a couple minutes. You know, I guess I'm getting blind in my old age. I thought that was 400. It was only 350. So now I have to up the temperature and get it up to 410. So I'm relighting those other two burners. Okay, I got it back up to 410. The timer went off. I put it for 14 minutes, but yet it was at that 3 something temperature, not always at the 410. So will these biscuits turn out? I guess we won't know until we lift the lid. Let's see what we got. Okay, this was after 14 minutes. I'm afraid these might taste like a brick. Some butter on top, the way that it says to do it. So, what does the bottom look like? Well, it's not too burned. Boy, they're hot yet. I'm going to wait a minute. So I'm going to break it apart and see if it's done in the middle. Whoa, nice and crispy. It is done. Okay, now the moment of truth, the taste test. I put just a little butter on it. It's so nice and crunchy on the outside, but real fluffy on the inside. This definitely works. And I really learned a lot through the process. I think next time I won't get them quite as brown on the bottom, but really they're not burnt. You know, some people put a pizza stone down. Some people put another inverted pan and then put this pan on top of that pan. I just thought with a shelf, why not try it? And I think it works pretty well. So, if you lose power and think, darn, I can't have biscuits with my dinner, you still can. Use your grill. Well, I hope you found this video educational and maybe you'll try, or maybe you're already a great baker on the grill. If so, love to see your experiences. Next time, maybe I'll try bread. This is Potpourri saying, please subscribe, share the knowledge, thumbs up if you like this video, and if you want to receive notifications of my future videos, just click on that little bell below. Right now, I'm going to enjoy my Popeyes biscuits.